Today we're out here for Capstone Contributes number 7. This is our 7th year doing this amazing event.
Today we're packing 20,000 H.E.L.P snack bags that will go to children who are underserved in 23 different school districts here in Maricopa County and the surrounding areas. Ed and his team have been hosting this Capstone Contributes for 7 years, and over the last 7 years we've done at least 125,000 of these H.E.L.P snack bags. Again, these bags go to children in our local school system who might not have something to eat when they go home.
We are making snack bags for homeless youth in our community. It's a great day to give back and get together all as a group and make a difference.
Every day we wake up and have an opportunity to do something either for ourselves or other people. And just to take a little piece and just give back to some people, I mean, I think it's important to have opportunities like this and, give back when we can.
What we've been able to do with this and what this has done for the community has just absolutely changed lives, right? It's impacted so many people.
We are having a blast to help the homeless and treat them special.
It's just so important to actually do something with my day that will make a difference. I love being able to get together with my coworkers and meet some of our sponsors as well.
Some of these tables out here are filled with families, not just moms and dads, but also their kids. And it's like, oh, they're all working together to make this happen. The impact on our kids by being out here, feeling like they're doing something positive for the community, and they're feeling it.
We started with raising, $6,000 the first year, and this year, where are we at, Amy?
$21,845. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thanks you guys so much.
Thank you to everyone who has shown up and given their time. So many people have made this possible. The community shows up, and I love it.